switches. The black, if you connect to the black, it's this first switch. Yeah.
Got it.
But sometimes I don't know what you guys do, you turn both on. But while turning this on should not have any impact.
Gotcha.
Because you're not connected to it, but
Here's my main question, Professor.
yeah.
We know that the dull side needs to be in the back and the shiny side needs to be towards us. But on the dull side, one side has a label and the other side doesn't. Currently, the label right now is on this side, which is towards the blue. But before that, it was on this side, which is close to the red, and it worked. So both ways it worked. But we know LEDs usually
Not all of them. When you guys get back to classroom, I have them installed. I'll show you. Not all of them are polarized. The plug and plays are, which are installed in classroom. I can show you.
So is that because this driver is smart, is flipping the polarity because it
No,
knows?
it's just the way wired into this. Everything is inside here.
Oh,
So the way it's wired, they didn't do this polarized. It's like a fluorescent. Fluorescent is not polarized. But if they're plug and play, they work with the ballast.
Yes.
And then they are polarized. You have to do them certain way.
got it. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So,
All right, guys. So
how
here
do
we
you
go.
want us
What
to
we do.
give this back to you, but in a nice way?
Everything not in a nice way.
In a curl-
safe way.
Okay.
The driver, these guys, and you need to write a paragraph like you did last time. What did you do? What did you run into problems and how did you solve it?
Got it.
One paragraph and then you have to submit. I'm going to put the handout on Canvas. It's due next week. Good job, guys. We have another LED that is driverless. You go directly to this. I don't know if you guys have time. If I wanted one group to do it, but always one group does it. But if you don't do it, that's fine. So those are driverless ones.
Wow.
But you guys can come to classroom. I'll show you.
Okay.
Where are you for?